Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Nubia Flip 5G. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll all the way down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click Continue, and here you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Then you have to scroll down again and check these two checkboxes, and then click Delete Account. And now your Google account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign In. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern again, and here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next, and as you can see my account is deleted and I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And here you have to scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is now recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.